Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can record a video using effects on the CapCut app. So open the app and make sure you've updated it, and you're going to select camera, and then you are going to select effects. You can choose effects from here, but like as you can see, this one, I don't think it shows because there's no face. You can also use green screen stuff, makeup, atmosphere, retro, appearance, Christmas, and I think that's, oh, there's also techniques, the one that I opened. So okay, here we go. This is the filter, the effect, sorry, and that is basically it. You can just record by pressing this blue button. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!